Hello students. Yesterday we have seen some plants, correct? Day before yesterday also we have seen. We have seen some trees on first day. What did we do yesterday? Let us revise it quickly. Okay? We have seen some plants like herbs, which are the plants of medicinal use and give the flavor to the food, add the flavor. For herbs like mint, we have studied shrubs like canna and rose. We have studied yesterday climbers and some creepers. Now today we are going to learn next topic. See children, all the plants are of different types and also they grow everywhere, correct? Where do plants grow? You can see in the picture. Plants grow everywhere. You can see plants in the water, on the ground. Okay, so let us learn these plants. Where do they grow? Let us learn one by one. Plants grow in hot places. Plants grow very high in the mountains, up in the mountains, and plants which are growing in water. We are going to study these. First one, some plants grow in hot places. They need very less water to grow, very little water to grow. And why do they, why can they grow over there? See children, hot places means desert area. Okay, where there is very less rainfall and they have very less water. So, whichever plant will grow there, it should be grown with very little water, and that is why date trees and cactus, these plants grow in desert. So, first you have seen date trees, you have seen, and cactus. See the cactus plants. Cactus plants, different types are there, children. See, these are the another type of cactus plant. Cactus plants store, or the plants which are growing in desert area, they store water inside them. Okay. Now see, let us see next one. This plant is known as aloe vera. This plant we can grow in the pot over here also, but naturally it is grown in the desert area. Okay, where there is very little water. Now, some plants are there which cannot grow without water. They need lots of water to grow. Okay, they are known as aquatic plants. Aqua means water and aquatic means growing in water. Fish is an aquatic animal. It cannot live cannot live out of the water. So likewise some plants cannot live out of water. Water lily is an aquatic plant which cannot live without water. Let us see next examples. Yes, lotus. Lotus is our national flower and it is growing in water only. Do you know this next picture? This is a water hyacinth plant. This is also growing in water. You can see this plant in rivers growing on the river water. Okay. So this is also an aquatic plant. This is dwarf bluebell. The flower is of bell shape. So it is known as flower dwarf bluebell. Then some plants which grow only in sea water. These are seaweeds. Okay. These plants are known as seaweeds because they are growing in sea water, and you can't see these plants on the surface of the water. You have to go deep under the sea, and in the seabed, when you will go down deep in the sea, you can see these plants, and these are seaweeds. Now, some plants grow high up in the mountains in very cold places where is a snowfall. Now children, these are the three trees which are growing. Not only these, there are many, but these are the examples: pine, spruce, fir tree. Now if you observe, The shape of these plants are same and specific. These trees have cone like shape. Why is it so? Because when the snow falls on these leaves or these trees, it gets down easily because of this cone shape. It slips down easily. So the shape is like this. Okay, these are trees growing in cold places. Some plants also, small plants also grow in cold places. Light trees and Indian paintbrush. The flowers are looking like painting brush, so is the name. So these are growing in cold places. Wow, so nice is the color. These are plants also grow in cold places. Okay, poppy mallow and goldenrod. These are the plants growing in cold places. Now, children, some plants are there which are very, very dangerous. They are poisonous. Poisonous means which kills us, which can kill us. Okay. Some snakes are poisonous. Cobra is a poisonous snake. Likewise, these plants are poisonous plants. If you can see in first picture, these are mushrooms. They are looking very beautiful, but they are poisonous. And children, we eat mushrooms also, but those mushrooms are specially cultivated. Those are white in color. Mushrooms which are red in color, those are poisonous. Keep it in mind. If you go anywhere, you should not pluck any mushroom and eat it. Okay? All the mushrooms are not eatable. These are poisonous mushrooms. And this next plant. This plant has a specific shape of leaves. Okay? These leaves eat insects. You will surprised to listen to this. Yes, it is true. When the insect enters in this leaf, the leaf closes tightly and it catches the insect inside, and the juice which is secreting inside kills the insect. So it is an insect eater plant. Okay. Now we will go for next. This is also a poisonous plant, Dhatura. Okay, this plant you can see everywhere. The flowers are very beautiful, but still we cannot touch this plant because it is harmful, poisonous. And children, when you go with your parents for a picnic, then you play in the grass, correct? If open land is there, you play in the grass. And if you go in the grass, you can observe these plants. This is known as Parthenium plant, and it is very dangerous because it is giving allergy like this. You can see in the picture, you can see in the photo. See how is the allergy. So this is poisonous plant and its name is Parthenium. Just observe this. You should avoid to go in this near these plants. Okay. Now some plants are not only poisonous, but some plants are dangerous. They are not poisonous, but they are dangerous. How? Let us see. Those plants are having thorns on them. You can see first image, it is cactus. It is having long thorns, sharp thorns. And next one, it is a rose plant. And can you see the thorns? Yes. Children, why do these plants have thorns? Do you know? There are some reasons, but one reason is the thorns protects the plant. Correct? So the thorns are there. Animals avoid to go near these thorny plants. Now, last picture is of plant Carissa carandus. In Marathi, these fruits, in Marathi, it is known as करवंद. करवंद खायला आवडतात ना आपल्याला सगळ्यांना. मुंबईहून पुण्याला येताना किंवा पुण्याहून मुंबईला जाताना काही बायका येतात ना टोपली घेऊन आणि पानाच्या द्रोणामध्ये करवंद विकत असतात. सो दीज करवंद आर नथिंग बट कॅरिसा कॅरेंडस फ्रूट्स. You can see long sharp thorns on that plant, It is very difficult to go there and pluck the fruits. So we should not go near that plant. So this is all about today. Children, today what are you going to do? You will not go near the poisonous plants, but you will tell your parents names of these plants if you remember, and you can see which plants are around you. You can see any plant which is growing in water. You can see whether you have aloe vera near you. Okay, so you can tell your parents. Now that is all for today. Tomorrow we will be meeting again. For what? There is a surprise for you. Okay, so this is all for today. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at home. Bye bye.